This 2026 Winnebago Thrive 22MBH is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Mifflintown, Pennsylvania, 17059 and is offered for sale by Juniata Valley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features a luxe interior, sleeps 8, water heater, carbon monoxide detector, smoke detector, slide-out, TV, air conditioning, awning, oven, leveling jacks, auxiliary battery, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, rear bath. The unloaded weight of this 2026 Winnebago Thrive 22MBH is 5,822 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.